Hello everyone, this is Sheena Marie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will share to you another part or segment of Kankanai words and phrases. So this is Kankanai words and phrases part 7. For our first sentence or phrase, what is your job? In Kankanai, we say it Sinoy Ublam. Well, have you seen my slippers? We say it Nailam sinalas ko. I kept the money you gave. Intabon or indulin ko din pilak ay indawat mo. Where do you work? We say it, sino'y panubublaam. Where did mom go? In mayan mama? We will visit grandpa on Saturday. Pasyaran ako si Lolo si Sabado. They're looking for you. Inkan ka na ay we say, ananapan da sika. Sika is kan ka na ay term for you. Ananapan is looking. I don't know them. Inkan ka na ay we say it, adak amu daida. Daida is kan ka na ay term for the pronoun them. I will sell it tomorrow. Ilakok si bigat. Ilakok is the term for I will sell. You don't know me. Adam amu sakon. Sakon is di kan ka na ay term for me. When you are looking for your case, you say intupay din or san susik. For some, it's okay to use san or din. Father went to buy pork. In mind, nanlako si kani si daddy, si papa, or si tatang. It depends on how you call your father. I am happy to see you. We say it, maragsakan ay nailaksik a, or we can say it, naragsak nak ta nailaksik a. Study well or study hard. We say it, stum eskwela. We don't have salt and sugar. We say it, magay asinta ko ya asukar. I dream of you every day. We say it, kanain ko sika ay matagtaginip or matagtaginip. Do you have visitors on Monday? Inkan ka na ay we say it, ay wada bisita ko si Lunes. Si is like an kan ka na ay term for on when you are referring to a day. Next we have, you must take care of your siblings. Inkan ka na ay we say it, ay wanam san kakabsat mo. Or in other terms or words, ay wanam san gagait mo. The song remind me of you. Sik ay malaglagip po sinan kanta. Kanta is the kankana term or Ilocano term for song. Where did you buy this? We say it, nanlakuam sina. Sina is the kankana term for this if we are referring to a thing or any thing that is bought by the person you are talking to. Next, we have, I don't care about you. Inkan ka na we say, magay bibiyang kunsik ka. Please understand me. We say it, pangaasim ta awatom sakon. Awatom in English is understand. Sakon is me. Next, I don't know who paid our bill. Inkan ka na we say it, adak amo no sino nan bayan bill taku. Taku is our, and I don't know is adak amo. Sino is who, and nan bayan is paid. And lastly, we must trust God. Inkan ka na ay we say it, nan mantalak tako an Apo Diyos. Apo Diyos is God, mantalak is trust. Taku is they can item for the pronoun we. So that's all. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe.